We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hi guys. In this tutorial we will discuss about how to create a walkthrough using camera. Walkthrough navigation lets you move through a 3D world. First we create a path in the scene by using Shapes tool. This path is used for camera movements. Then create a target camera, standard camera, target camera on top view. You can drag. Select the camera and go to animation menu and select the path constraint option under constraint drop down list and pick on the camera path that we drawn. Next, change the perspective view into camera view. Click on play animation button for getting a walkthrough preview. For getting a slower animation, we need to add more frames. For adjusting the frames, go to time configuration menu and adjust the end time or length. After that, adjust the time slider to the new end time. Time slider changed into new time 300 frames. Now you get a slower animation. You must click on follow option, comes under motion panel. For getting a final rendered video, follow these steps. Go to render setup, short command F10. Click on the active time segment under time output. And select the PAL video option in output size session. You can save the render output file to a specified location. Here I am saving the file as AVI file format. Save. OK. Then press the render button. Now our rendering is completed. This is our final walkthrough output. Thanks for watching this video.